So today, well, I'm going to explain how to do this function with moving variables with maximum and minimum points, and here we have the critical points, and also moving slope that is our derivative of the function. So we need to open a new file, and we need to put letters, but letters that can be a variable, that maybe A, B, and C. F can't be a variable because F is the meaning of function. So X to the cube, because we want a cubic function, plus B square, no, bx squared, sorry, plus cx, and then finally the d. And here, because we put these variables, we can move our function wherever we want. So we want here. So the next step is the slope. So here we put a point wherever in the function, in wherever the place you want. Then we move here in tangent lines, and we click in the point and then the function. Remember that slope is the derivative because it's a line that only touch one point. So here we can move the derivative and only touch one point, the slope. Then we here in measure, we click in slope, and the only thing that we need to do is to click the point. And then we need the maximum and the minimums, that are the points where the slope are 0. So the only thing is here in basic tools, we click here in this in maximum and minimum points, the extremes, and we click the function, only the function, not the point. And here appears the points. I'm going to change the color to green. Yes. Well, then we need the critical points. So here in the basic tools, we click here, and we click the function, and here the critical points appear. So as you can see, if I move the variables, let me do less zoom. If I move the variables, the points move too. So this can be useful for us to know I don't know, the numbers of the slope, or if we want the maximum and the minimum points, we can know it with these tools. So that's it. So here now I'm going to explain what is a slope, a zip point, and critical point. So the slope is a mathematical tool that tells us where the straight line goes. So for example, here we have 6.81 because it's go up, but here the slope is completely horizontal, so the slope is 0, well, almost 0, and that is the slope. The critical, well, the maximum and the minimum points, that's that point where in the function we see here like a convex function and a concave function. So where the slope is 0, here we have a a critical point, and here the slope is 0, 2. So here we have the maximum and the minimum. And the critical points are those points when the direction of the function change. So here the function go up. So here we have our first critical point. Then we have here a change of direction. So the slope comes to down, and here we have another critical point because it tells us that the function goes down. And then we have another straight line to up. So then we have here another critical point, and that's it.